Installed Triumph's official LED indicators on your Triumph Bonneville, but the flash speed isn't quite right? Luckily, Triumph built in a way to adjust the indicator flash rate directly from the bike. No tools or wiring needed. To begin, press and hold the button on the left switch cue. Then turn the ignition on while still holding the button. The screen will display type. This means you've entered flash rate setup mode. Now release the button. Tap the button to cycle through flash rate settings, type 1 to type 5. Type 1 is the fastest flash. Type 5 is the slowest. For most riders, Type 3 is a good middle ground. Let's see how fast it blinks on Type 1. So here's how it flashes on Type 3. That's it, no resistors, no relays, just factory settings. If this helped, give it a like and follow @ItRightNet for more Triumph tips and customizations. Thank you for watching.